Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about the NebuMine. NebuMine is a cloud mining service with support for all major currencies and wallets. Okay, so you can mine instantly and from anywhere, right? So directly online without complex and expensive hardware purchases. So before we start, I just have to mention that this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. Everything what I am saying here is only for entertainment and educational purposes. Okay, so please do your own research. Everything in crypto is very risky, so you have to make sure that you know what you are investing in. Okay, so do your own research, guys. Okay, so NebuMine. All right, so when it comes to Bitcoin mining or any sort of mining, when it comes to currency mining, you want to mine the Bitcoin, you want to mine Solana, Ethereum, any other ones which they are available out there. First and foremost, you need to invest in hardware, and then obviously in software, and then you have to cover all those costs associated with running all of this, right? So like energy, like electricity. That's all has to be taken into the account, okay? But the services like NebuMine, okay, are offering this as based on the cloud, okay, in the cloud. So you don't have to own any sort of hardware in your home, okay, where it takes all your space. Plus, you have to run it, you have to maintain it. You just need to pay them, and they will be running your own piece of software somewhere there in the cloud, okay, and also and you'll get rewarded, okay. Obviously in the cloud means like, yeah, obviously they have a physical locations where those type of mining software is there somewhere out there, right? They have those data centers, those big miners, those miner rigs there, and everything is standing there, okay. They just running that in your main, okay. You paying them something for it, for the service, and obviously the portion of those rewards, okay, a portion of every time when they actually manage to mine something and get out of that, you will be rewarded, okay. So this is how it works in a nutshell, okay. So now if you register with those guys here for free, you get 1000 gigahash per second mining speed as a gift, right? That's something which you don't have to pay for it, right? So how to join? Okay, so NebuMine today and learn. Join NebuMine today and learn how it works. Okay, first and foremost, use your email address, free account. You can easily you can create your account within the seconds, right? Then mining starts immediately with free 1000 gigahash per second. Okay, you can buy extra miner at any time with 35% discount, and you can withdraw daily and enjoy lifetime mining with your account. Okay, so you can, very important that you can actually go and withdraw daily with them, right? So hardware as a service at a premium of the cost, okay. So there's a more than 39,500 mining devices ready to go out there, right? So this is how they actually do those type of devices looking like that, right? So what you can do, you can go and click on discover their miners, okay, and those miners, that's exactly, experience complete autonomy, adaptability when acquiring, okay. Miner speed, set your own pricing with maximum liberty, okay. So everything is there, everything you can see, okay. Miner profits, for example, how much miner speed you'll get, okay. Price, you can obviously you can buy those using the cryptocurrencies. You can buy those using the fiat currencies, okay. And also you will see the rewards here, like hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and annually, okay. So return on investment period, it's they say that it's about 96 days, right? And you can get your new miner with a 35%, they call it New Year sale, okay. So for them it's still New Year, that's fine, as long as there's a discount there, no problem at all. And also active users have a lifetime hardware access, while inactive users have a limited access to 2 years, right? Full support for all your wallets and cryptocurrencies, so every wallet is available there. Okay, they have some socials here. Let me go and open this one here for you guys, and let's go and read it through. Okay, they have a 1,647 followers. They joined January 2025. Okay, they're posting here regularly everything for you guys to go and check it out. They also have a Telegram group there where you can go and check them out. No problem at all. You can, any questions, you obviously can go and and ask them on Telegram. Okay, very important. They also have a review on Trustpilot, which is not bad, isn't it? They have some, mostly those reviews are actually positive, okay, because and even if there's one which is like, for example, this one is excellent service but a confusing message, right? So, and there's the whole information is being placed here, what's wrong with it, okay. And here's the reply from NebuMine Limited, right? 2 days ago. Yeah, so they are active there, right? It's very important to know that those guys are there and they are actually serving their customers. So if you have questions, they're gonna answer that for you, right? So okay, so what else do I want to show you guys here? Okay, discover miners. Okay, let's go to the miners. Oh, miners are here. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard, right? So again, 35% discount here. Okay, perfect. Dashboard. Okay, your mining balance. That's the mining balance in bitcoins. Refer mining speed. Okay, there's nothing there yet. Purchase miner speed, nothing there yet. Total miner speed. Okay, 1 terahash per second, right? So and then if you want to manage minings, you can go and click on purchase, recruitment, and withdraw, right? So if you want to withdraw, you can do it at daily, right? Remember I said that in the beginning, because they actually do allowing you to do it on a daily basis, which is quite cool, right? Again, this is a calculator there. So let's say that you want to purchase, you just click on the purchase, right? Here is the total miner speed. Here is everything you're going to see in live. Okay, you're mining here. And also, if you go and you receive the referral bonus on each miner purchase of 8%. Okay, I'll be leaving the link inside the description of this video. Okay, guys, if you use that link, obviously I'll get that 8%, as a kickback, as a referral. But everyone can do it, right, guys? If you join it, if you know who might want to go and join that, or you want to share that link on your socials or anywhere you want to share it, so you can definitely, everyone has access to this referral bonus, right? So yeah, so there we go. I think mostly that's all what I want to cover in this video. Okay, so you can purchase mining speed to earn your personal bitcoins, earn daily mining bonuses of more than 1.2%, okay, depending on your investment, and withdraw Bitcoin minings at any time or convert them into your preferred cryptocurrency. Okay, and so there you go. You can go and pay with your crypto, or you can pay with your minings, right? You could currency, as I said, again, you can go and pick the currency you want. And also oh yeah, those active and not active users, that's already what I covered. Okay, so there you go. I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, guys. I'll be leaving the link to NebuMine here in description. If you have any questions, just leave it down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Any questions, once again, please leave it inside the description. And if you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.